Hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. In a previous class, what I am telling, now here simple commit means whenever before we are using a rollback transactions, compulsory at least one time we are committing the transactions. Then only reading a data and all the things are working. Rollback is working. But DDL commands are automatically committed. I am telling only. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. But unfortunately, DML commands are automatically committed or not. Check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose now I'm using a what here, create table. 1 minute, observe here, table name. This one anybody telling me is great. Here I already table is there, means I'm dropping the table here. Okay, fine. And now here, check it out. Concentrate. This is a table is there. Create table name, test is a table. Fastly observe here, logs we are starting through this here. Now here S number like this. Now here I'm inserting a data, insert into what is the table name, test only, here values. Here 70 I'm inserting only. Now I'm not committing the data. Observe here, select a star from here, test like this. Now check it out. Here I'm creating a table, test is a table, and also I'm inserting DML statements. I'm using insert, update, delete like this. Now here this is a 70 is there. Here DML statements are there. I'm not saving. I'm not giving any commit. Now I'm exit from the database. Okay, fine. Now again I'm reopen the session. Just observe here. I'm reopen the session only. Now check it out. Here username and password like this. Now select star from the test table I'm using only. Now the 70 is available or not available. Only one thing is correct. Fast. Anybody guess it? Whenever in any relational database also DML statements I'm using only, but I'm not giving a what commit keyword. Just I'm exit from the database. Again, I'm reopen the session. Now in this example side, I'm inserting a what 70 only. That 70 is available or not available. Only one thing is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling a what, so now not available. So many fellows are telling a what available, but only one thing is correct. Very, very, very important. It is available. DML commands are automatically not committed also. One thing is there. What is that one means? In a properly SQL prompt side, we are exit from the database. Properly we are exit, properly we are exit from the database, then automatically committed is there. Properly we are exit from the database. Otherwise, what is unproperly means, suppose here close button through. So now here close button through, we are closing the session. Otherwise, power is gone. In that case only, automatically committed is not there. But only we are properly exit from the database, then only, yes, DML commands also automatic commit is there. That's why select star from test means the 70 is available. Now check it out. Really that is correct or not? Check it out. Here observe here, yes, 70 is there. That's why DML commands are not automatically committed. But in this case, properly I'm exiting. You are observing or not? Properly exit I'm giving. Properly we are exit from the database, then automatically committed the transactions in a where DML statements also. Now not properly. What is not properly means? Observe here. Concentrate here. Suppose I am dropping, test table, test one table, drop table name, test one like this. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Now I'm using a what? Create a table name, test one like this. Now here S number is a column number like this. Here I'm inserting a what data. Here I'm inserting insert into table name. Here test one. Here values like this. Now I'm using a what 80 or anything. Now I'm using a what a select statement. This is called DML statements also in this case. But unfortunately, I am not properly now here exited. I am not properly exited. I am exit from the database by using a what? Close the session. Observe here, close button is there. Through that one, close the session only. Observe here. And my session is closed, not properly exit. Just here, close button through. I'm closing the session. Otherwise, power is gone. Anything. Suppose here, I'm close button through. I'm closing the session. Now again, I am reopen the session is there. Now check it out here, observe it here, username and password. Now here, observe here, select the star from what is the table name is there, test one like this. Now the data is available or not available? Very good, not available here. No rows selected. Here, automatic commit is not there in this case. Whenever power is gone, otherwise system crashes, otherwise close button through we are closing the session. Yes, DML statements are not automatically only when we exit from the database properly, then only automatic commit is there in aware DML statements also. But whenever automatic commit is available also, when we are properly exit from the database in a DML statement, so nobody telling DML commands are automatically committed by means sessions wise this one. Another session is there, what happened, observe it here. Now check it out, concentrate here, very important. Sessions transactions are important. Drop table, table name, test here. Why we are using in a real-time project side or commit or rollback in a where in your DML statement side means observe here, create table test. This is very easy. Everyone maybe have a location of here easily understandable. S number is a column. This answer they are telling. Here insert a data, insert into what is the table name is there, test only values like this. Here 90 I'm inserting. Okay, fine. Now here check it out, select a star from here, test is there, okay, 90 is there. Now another session I'm opening now. So now this is a session one, again another session, any number of sessions also we are allowed to open. Same user or different user, anything also, and now here two sessions are there, for example. This is another session, okay, fine, same user I'm using, okay, fine. Now here this is a session two, and now here check it out. Here this is a show user, same user no, and now here yes, same user, we are different environments we are opening means that is called sessions only. This is a session one, this is a session one, this is a what, session two only. Now here just observe here, session one test 90 is the data is there. Now I'm observing a what, yes, here in that session two, same table, select star from test only. Now here that okay, so now here 90 is visible in a where session two or not, very important. Anybody guess it, maybe some fellows have an idea. Fast in every database. In a session two, this 90 is available or not available? Very good, not available. There is a problem. That's why whenever we are using a want in a DML statements, why commit is required means I am also, you are also, anybody, other fellow also, employees means so many times, same username, password through, we are interacting only. I am opening a want one session, you are opening another session, another fellow is opening another session, another fellow is opening another session through the same username and password. In that case, whenever one user inserting, updating, deleting, perform operations means, then in another session it is not visible. Very good, correct. Here not visible. So now this is the reason. Now here this is not visible. Very good, correct, not visible. Now here check it out. Here observe it here. Now concentrate here. This is not visible. No rows selected. Now I want to visible. That is another session. Means just we are using a what? Which one? Very good. Committing the transactions. How much powerful? Whenever we are using a what? Committing transaction. Yesterday committee you already know. Whenever we are using a committing the transaction, then automatically all the sessions that is visible. Those values. Now I'm using a what? Saved in a hard disk. There only in every session it is visible only. And now check it out. Yes, automatically visible or not. That's why commit is very important in a way. Whenever we are using a DML statement in a project side, different number of sessions they're using. But outside person means they're not using a number of sessions. That's why they are thinking about commit is not important only. But project side, very important. Whenever we are using a what sessions wise, when we are using a commit compulsory, then only the transactions are visible in a way. Another session. Now here, write a note, fast writing. Write a note. In all relational databases, whenever we are committing the transactions, then only those transactions are visible into all sessions. Visible into all sessions. Now fastly write it, example write it. So now go to SQL prompt, connect Scott and Tiger like this. Here also go to SQL prompt, connect Sivan, Scott and Tiger like this. Fastly write it. It is very easy, no? Every database same concept. Now here I'm giving what? Create table name, T1 everything as number like this. In a table. Now I'm inserting a data, insert into table name T1 values. Here 90 are in. Now here select star from T1. Here 90 is there. Now in another session, I try to open, go to SQL prompt, select star from T1. Here no rows selected, no rows selected. That is everyone knows. Now I'm giving a what? A commit. Whenever I'm giving a what? A commit, automatically. So now that is visible in a where? Another session? Yes, here. Then only go to SQL prompt, select star from here T1. Then only 90 is visible. Fastly write it. This everyone knows. Okay, next, very good. Next, write it. Save point. Save point. A save point means nothing is there. Actually, now whenever we are using a what, a rollback means all the above transactions are rolled back up to DDL or up to last commit. But I don't want like this. I want to, yes, up to some transactions only I want to cancel. Then roll back to save point name. They're using only save point name they're using. In that case, up to particular save point only, it will be undo the transactions. In before that one, just we are using a save point name they're using. That is called logical mark. That's why save point is nothing but it is a logical mark in between transactions. What is that one means? I will tell you. Write it fast. Save point. It is a logical mark. It is a logical mark in between transactions. It is a logical mark in between transactions. Syntax, write it. Save point space save point name. NNM we are using. Save point name. Okay, side heading roll back to, I will apply all the things. Roll back to particular save point. Particular save point. Roll back to particular save point. Write it syntax. Syntax, write it. roll back to keyword, save point name, directly save point name. I want to undo the transaction from particular save point name is like this. Fastly write it. This is, I will show you in one example. Roll back to save point name. Anybody database save. Okay, na? Next write it. Roll back, write it. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory or not? Yes, yeah. Roll back, write it. This command is used to write it. This command is used to undo the transaction from memory. Undo the transaction from memory. Syntax rollback. Write this one fastly. Now easily understandable how much easy observed here. Finished. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Fast I will tell you. And now here observed here. One session through I am telling you is enough. And now here check it out. Suppose here EMP table through I am telling. Select a star from EMP is a table. Setting environment. And now here check it out. Select a star from EMP like this. Now here observe here. Here I'm performing a what? Just some operations. Some operations I'm performing. Insertion. Again updation. Again deletion like this. Again insertion. Again deletion. Again updation. Again insertion. Again updation like this only. Now I'm using a last only here. Roll back means all the above transactions are automatically cancelled up to last DDL, otherwise last statement on, last commit on. I don't want like this. Suppose which transaction is I want to undo, which transaction is important, which transaction is not important, I don't know means, then in that case, just roll back to particular transaction I want to undo the means, then we are using a save point. That's why here I'm using a what here, update, yes here. Delete like this here. Yes, after these two transactions, I'm using a what? Save point name, A1, B1, anything. Again, here insert, again update, again delete. After only here, I'm using a what? A save point name like this only. Now here again insert, again update like this means last only I'm using a what? A roll back means all the transaction is roll back. I don't want roll back like this. Roll back to save point name A2 means up to A2 only it will be cancelled. But above A2, whatever transactions are there, this is still exist. So now still those transactions are exist. Those transactions are, I am using a what? Maybe either commit in a future, otherwise in other transactions also we are performing. That's why rollback means normally all the above transactions are undo, but unfortunately rollback to save point name means up to particular save point only the transactions are cancelled. Remaining above transactions are stay in existence. The transaction anything also we are performing, maybe saved, maybe any operations also we are performing. In that case, save point and roll back to save point name is helpful. Really that is correct or not? Within fraction of second we are checking. Suppose insert into what is the table name is there, EMP, employee number, I'm using only here values like this, here 1, okay fine, yes here. Now again update statement I'm using, insert update delete anything, update table name, set here salary is equal to salary plus 100, okay, where now here e name is equal to Smith, I am writing like this. Here I'm not interested to roll back. Here save point I'm using, maybe because one any transaction I don't know what roll back means, or last onwards I want to roll back. Save point name, yes, one, anything I'm using. And now here check it out. Here again Again, insert, update, delete, anything. Now here your own wish. Now save point name. Again, I'm using a what? Insert into statement. Here like this 2 is a value I'm inserting. Again, here update, delete, anything also I'm writing only. Now here where e name is equal to ln, anything also I'm giving. Now here also I'm using a what? A save point name. Another name only we are using. Okay, fine. Yes, to like this. Again, I'm using a what? Insert into statement. Insert into what is the table name? EMP, employee number, here values like this only. Here 3, I'm inserting. Now I'm using a what? Rollback means all the transactions are rollback, but rollback to particular save point. Suppose here S3, S2 I'm giving. S2 means I'm giving means what happened? Yes, here from this onward, this point onward, this is cancelled. This one is a cancelled. Up to this one only cancelled. But remaining all the above transactions are stay in existence or not? Yes, here this is your commit or anything we are performing only possible. Suppose yes, whenever above roll save point we are giving means below save point automatically override. Yes, S1 I'm giving means roll back to save point name S1 I'm giving means automatically this one is cancelled. Again here this one is cancelled. Up to this one is cancelled only. Last onwards up to this one it is cancelled. Again here this above transactions are stay in existence. Here 1 and Smith is existence. Then maybe you are committing on anything also we are performing only. Suppose here roll back to save point name I'm using. Rollback is completed. Now I'm giving about transaction I'm interested to commit. Commit means yes, which transactions are committed? Yes, above S1 only, which one is there? Smith 100 salary and 1. These 2 transactions are committed. Up to remaining all the things are rolled back. These type of things also in a project set they are using. Now check it out. Really that is correct or not? Select star from EMP. Here in a previous case 1100 is there. Smith is a what? 1100 plus 100, 1200 like this. Here again, here 1 is a what? A record is automatically inserted. Only these 2 transactions only saved. Remaining all the things are undo. Why? Because roll back to save point name I'm giving. After that one commit means about transaction, which transactions are available. That is only committed. Simple. And now write it fastly. That's why particular transactions we cannot undo. In that case, last onwards we can undo possible particular transaction. Last onwards possible. Middle this point to that point I want to undo means impossible. Okay, yeah, this is also there. Example, write it fastly in a database. Write it example fastly, very easy this one. Any DML statements not about. These are easy, that's why fast land. Write in this one fast. These TCLs are very easy. Yesterday commit we are using, no, that is important. Remaining these all the things everyone knows. In a books we are referring, in a Google you are referring, Mr. But this through this one DBA concept we are learning logs. That is most powerful. That is compulsory. Developers are must familiar in at least row level logs. Again, database administrator using global temporary tables. Those 2 things are most powerful. Developer point of view, compulsory. I am also, you are also familiar. Row level logs means I'm telling. That's why in a PLSQL cursor, SQL Server cursor, DB2 cursor side, some clauses are there. Why means this locking mechanism side. Fastly write it. Roll back to save point name as commit. Completed a fast. And now very important concept. What is that one means through this TCL, now up to now DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, all the concepts you have an idea. Now, but unfortunately DCL, whenever necessary, I'm telling in a previous classes, use chapter side. TCL, why in this case I'm telling me is now very important concept, that related concept only locks. And now that purpose we are telling locks, right? This is so many fellows are doesn't know, but very mandatory concept in a row level locks in every database, not only Oracle. Locks, write it. Very interesting practically. This is a DBA concept, but compulsory developer must familiar row level locks. Write it fastly, theory, write it, locks. Locking is a mechanism. Locking is a mechanism. Locking is a mechanism which is used to prevent unauthorized access. Very important definition this one. Unauthorized access, which is used to prevent unauthorized access for our resource. I'm not explaining about this definition. Why? Because practically I'm asking only, then you are understandable these all things. Okay, write it fastly. Locking is a mechanism which is used to prevent unauthorized access for our resource. Write it. All relational databases, not only Oracle, every database. All relational databases having two types of locks. Write it. Two types of locks. All relational databases having two types of locks. These are anybody having idea? Very good. First one, very important. Compulsory. You are a developer also, you must familiar. Row level locks. Second one, anybody having idea? Anybody in our class, maybe some MySQL, SQL Server, DB2 programmers are there, means same concept is there. First one is row level locks. Second one is what? Anybody guess it? Very good. So many fellows are telling in our class only column level locks. They are telling no, absolutely wrong word. Column level locks are not there. Table level locks. Very good. Table level locks. That is administrator using. But we are learning all the things. These are row level locks. Second one, table level locks. In this case, deadlock also we are learning in a way after row level locks only. Most powerful. What is deadlock? You must familiar. Why? Because in a PLS triggers are there. In that one mutating error is there. That is why it is occurred. Means deadlock knowledge is there. Then only you are understandable. That much powerful. Finished. Row level locks. Second one, table level locks. Okay. Side reading. Row level locks. Row level locks. Row level locks. Row level locks means set of rows only lock. Don't worry. But unfortunately, this is not there in a where Oracle side older days. Only this fancy standard concept Oracle 6.0 onwards Oracle is copying. Why? Because in a Oracle 6.0 onwards PLSQL is there. In that PLSQL, one ANSI standard concept cursor locking mechanism is required. That's why in that case onwards Oracle also copying about this concept only. That's why Oracle 6.0 onwards row level locks are available in Oracle. But all the databases first onwards it will be there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Write it. Oracle 6.0. Write it fast. Oracle 6.0 introduced row level locks. Oracle 6.0 introduced row level locks. Oracle 6.0 introduced row level locks. And now observe it here. Oracle 6.0 introduced row level locks. Okay, now observe here. Suppose I want to perform some locks only in this set of rows only. For example, how can I? Very, very, very important. In every relational databases in the worldwide, how we are performing a locks in a where set of rows means just we are using a what? For space update is a clause, most powerful. Whenever we are using a what? This clause automatically set of rows are locked only in every relational database, not only Oracle side. In this method, we are locking a set of rows by using a what? For space update is a clause. But where we are using this clause in a select statement only, not a update statement, not a delete statement. Only select statement through only we are locking. Why we are locking? What is that one? I will tell you. Write it. In this method, fastly write it. in this method, we are locking set of rows. We are locking set of rows by using for update clause. By using for update clause. This clause, write it fast. This clause is used in. This clause is used in select a statement only. Select a statement only. This clause is used in select a statement only. Syntax. Select a star from table name where condition for space update. Here optional clause is there. Next we are learning only no wait. What is no wait? All the things I will tell you. But first normal for update we are telling. Then select star from or column names from table name where condition for space update is within the square bracket. No wait, right? Now check it out. Practically very interesting. That's why I am not explaining up to now. Anybody guessing means great. This one. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. Very interesting only. All are writing about this one. Fastly write it. Syntax write it. Select star from table name where condition for update. Okay. Finished. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very interesting. Not only Oracle side, all the relational database side, this concept. Now here, observe it here. Suppose here, anybody guessing me first? Great. Now check it out. This is a table is there. Show user here. Scott user. Okay. This is a table is there. Select star from EMP. Okay. My database administrator, some set of rows they're locking only. Okay. Some purpose. How they are locking? Observe here. Select here star from here table name where DPT number is equal to 10, for example. Now just here select star from EMP where department number is equal to 10. Now for space update, they are using only. Okay. Now this 10th department is locked. 10th department rows are locked only internally, but it is not visible. This is locked or not locked. It is not visible. Only table level locks means locks or your rows are locked is a message it will display. But row level locks means it does not display any messages only. Just the same like a normal where condition, whatever thing we are giving, this data is displayed, but internally that is locked only. Now here, tell star from EMP where department number is equal to 10 for update, I'm using only. Whenever I'm using this one, now check it out. Yes, this 10th department is locked. Slowly observe here, this 10th department is locked. That is not visible locking anything. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, what is my doubt means I have a doubt. Okay, 10th department, it is locked. Now tell me, anybody in our class, now 10th department locked means I have a doubt here. Can I perform now can I perform DML operation in this 10th department? Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Can I perform this is 10th department locked only. Lock means up to now I am not telling. Now I have a doubt only here. Can we perform DML operation in this 10th department? Possible or not possible? Maybe anybody guess it? Possible or not possible? Possible, not possible? Anybody? Anybody guessing is great. Possible or not possible? What is this one? Possible or not possible? Very good. So many fellows are telling what in our class. Oh, maybe nothing is there. Logs they are performing only. That's why we cannot perform DML operations. They're thinking. That's why so many fellows are in a chat box. They are telling what? Not possible. They are telling only. But unfortunately, absolutely wrong one. Logs means different. And now this is possible, insert, update, delete in a 10th department, possible. But what is the use of logs? Yes, a log means different. Which user? Yes, session this one, Scott user session this one. This user performing a what? Operations, DML operations possible. But what is log means? Yes, definition observed here. That's why up to now I am not telling definition. Logging is a mechanism which is used to prevent unauthorized access for our resource. Unauthorized access means another user. That is important. Very, very, very important. Unauthorized access for our resource. This is a Scott user data. That's why this user performing a DML operation, but another user, Murli user, A1 user, some other users we are creating in a where in a DCL commands or not. Those users cannot perform DML operations. Those users cannot perform DML operations. That is important. Suppose here in your house money is there, for example. Can I access in your house money? Possible? No, not possible. You are accessing a what? In your house money possible or not? Yes, possible. Otherwise, life is waste. And now here, observe it here. Now check it out. Observe it here. That's why another user cannot perform DML operation in any database system in the worldwide. Whenever we are performing a what? Logs means another user cannot perform DML operations. That is important. Unauthorized access for our resource, but unfortunately select statement is working. Select is working, but DML is not working. Okay, na? Really that is correct or not? Check it out. That's why up to now I'm not explaining. Practical, I'm showing all the things. Now check it out. Very interesting. Suppose here, now here another is shown. Here suppose another users are there. Murali is a user. Maybe this permission they're giving me. Yes, Murali is a user is there. I'm setting environment. Now here check it out here like this. And now here observe it only. And now here like this, here show user like this. Murali is a user. Okay, fine. In a previous classes, maybe you are creating in a DCL command side. Yeah, how can I create users? I'm telling you or not. Yes, here. This is a Scott user table. That's why Scott user performing a DML operation. But in a Murali user grant all on EMP2 Murali something we are giving a permission or not in those days. Okay, this is a Murali user. This user can query the data. Query means select statement is possible, but they cannot perform DML operations. Really correct? Yes. I'm checking update, delete, insert, or anything. Which department? 10th department only. Another department possible because 10th department only. It will be locked here. Update table name. Which one? Scott dot username dot object name or not? Yes, here. But compulsory permission is required. Grant all on EMP2 Murali in a olden days you idea or not? That is there. Then only working. Update Scott dot emp. Set here salary is equal to salary plus 100. Anything also. Where which department? 10th department. Where department number is equal to 10. Okay. Now I'm pressing a what? Enter key. What happened? Yes, it will be stuck. Observe here. We cannot perform DML operations. Observe here. Whenever we are using a what? Press enter key. It does not son of your perform in operations. Observe here. I'm again reopen the session. And now here, check it out. Here, observe here, blinking. Control is not passed to next line. Here, it will be hang up. Now, that's why we cannot perform DML operations here. Now, that's why whenever anybody performing a DML, okay, so now locking mechanism, either table level logs or row level logs, another user cannot perform DML operations. That is important. Now, I want to release the logs. How can I? Maybe anybody guess? Okay, it will be stucking only. And now here, yes, another user cannot perform DML operations. On a waiting state, this one. Now, I want to perform DML operation in a where in this Murali user also. And now here, otherwise accessing that one. How can I release the logs? Tell me. How can I release the logs? Very good. Two persons are telling only Bhuvaneshwari and Nayak. Now here, yes, they're telling only very good, correct. In every relational database in the worldwide, whenever we are using a TCL commands, TCL means what? Commit, and rollback. These only, not a save point, rollback. These commands we are using means automatically locks are released. Very good. Yes, 2 persons are telling. Correct. Just observe it here. I want to release the locks when we are using a what? A commit or rollback command. That's what TCL we are learning in a previous case in every database. So now really that is correct. Yes, just observe it here. Commit or rollback. Now I'm using a commit or rollback. Automatically locks are released. Observe it here. Yes, released or not. 3 rows updated. Why and what is the purpose of this one, I will tell you. But first observe it here. That's why whenever in any relational database system in the worldwide also, when we are using a what commit or rollback, then only automatically locks are released. Not only Oracle database. What is no white means next I will tell you. Don't worry. That is an optional clause where we are using and all these things I will tell you. First, this one write it fast. Whenever we are performing, write it. Whenever we are performing logs, then another user query the data. Query means select statement. Okay, query the data, but they cannot perform. DML operations. And also when we are using commit or rollback commands, then automatically locks are released. Not only Oracle, but database. Then no wait, I will tell you, but first write it. Whenever we are performing logs, then another user query the data, but they cannot perform DML operations. And also when we are using commit or rollback commands, then automatically logs are released. Okay, sessions wise we are using means, then you are understandable. What the example means, now here, 2 user side you are writing only. Now here, check it out. Finished this theory. Fastly write it, time is less, that's why fast. Hello, completed this one. Hello. This theory is completed. Yes. Fastly draw this one through the where user side. Okay, already my system having a Morley user is then you are also creating a user, and then you are giving a permission grant all or any DL operations on object name to username. You have to use it. Okay, yes, here I'm using all the things in a DCL command side. No, yes, that's why. And now here, check it out. Here, this is a one user. Authorized user is a Scott, because Scott user EMP table through I'm telling. Otherwise, you are creating a table also not a problem. Connect Scott and Tiger like this. Again, another session. Connect. See where I'm connect. Morley is a user. Another user is there. For example, your imagination, my name, and a Morley, and Morley is a password. For example. Now here, just I'm typing a what. Select the idea purpose. Select star from table name EMP, where DPT number is equal to 10. For update, I'm giving. For update is a keyword. What is for update means? For update, don't think that. For update is a class. Okay. Yeah. In every relational database. Now, then another user cannot perform DML. Query the data later. I tell you. Update Scott dot EMP set salary is equal to anything, any operations where department number is equal to 20 means not a problem. 10. Okay, fine. Here within the bracket like this, write it, your understandable purpose. We cannot perform DMLs. We cannot perform DMLs. We cannot perform DMLs. Now here in the right hand side, I want to release the logs means commit I'm using or rollback, your own wish. For releasing logs, within the bracket, you have to write it for releasing logs. For releasing logs. Write it this one. Write it the sessions wise. User, Scott user, Murli user. Then only I'm telling you what? No wait. No wait is an optional class. Whenever we are using no wait, what happened when we are using those all the things. Finished. Up to this one is enough. Tomorrow I will tell you no wait and also table level logs, another chapter side we are learning. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Connect to PLS. Tomorrow we'll continue.